Alright, what up, good people? This is boy. You back again for another one, man. Finna get ready to go pick up my gun. That's right, new gun. Who this? I said I was gonna stop doing that shit. I said I was gonna stop stopping the camera and starting it back. I was just gonna chop a style, nigga. All right. So basically, this is what happened, man. So, long story short, years ago, I bought a gun off of Craigslist. Years later, the gun started having some issues after I started shooting more often, and I'm like, what the fuck, right? So I called the company, who is Taurus, to get the gun fixed, repaired, whatever. Heard they got a lifetime warranty. So I hit them up. They say, hey, this gun was in a class action suit. We cannot replace it. We cannot fix it and give it back to you. However, we can't replace it. Now, the gun that I had was a 45. The gun that I had was a 45. So, God damn it. The gun I had was a 45. They replaced it with a 9mm. I ain't gonna tell you which 9mm. I'll show you when we go pick it up. Which we finna get ready to go do now. I just thought, maybe I should grab some bullets. Grab a box of bullets. Make it do what it do. Alright, so I will say this has been like a little lengthy process, because this whole process started probably back in late October, maybe November. Let me check and see. I could look at my emails and I could tell you for shit show. Okay, so it looks like I probably called them. So end of November. Right. So end of November, they put in a little repair order, sent me the joint to send the gun in, right? sent me an invoice, sent me a tracking joint so I can mail it off. This was the 26th of November. Today is February 17th, right? So they sent that. They told me I had to send the gun off to them. Which I was like, okay, cool, fine. Now, I can't tell you exactly when I sent the gun, but if you know me, I don't be procrastinating too much. So I want to say they probably had it. Especially if it was on some 2-day shipping shit, I'm pretty sure they had that motherfucker by, hold on, let's see. I do you even one better. Let me look at my photos and let me see, or let me look at my emails again and let me tell you when that bitch went off to FedEx. So, FedEx. If it has one. It might not have one. Yeah, don't look like it had one. So let me check the photos, being that it wasn't no. If I can find a picture of a label where it was shipped out, because I know me, like I usually keep track of a lot of this shit, right? So that wasn't it. I don't see exactly what it is, but yeah, I know they say either 4 to 6 weeks or 6 to 8 weeks or whatever. So if you go from there, that would have took care of December and January would have been 8 weeks. So then, probably beginning of February, I called. Let me see. I can tell you the next date. That I can tell you because I know it's on my call log. So the 4th. So yeah, so 26th November, I called them, and then that's when they started everything off. So now here, the 5th of February, I called them like, yo, what's going on? I ain't really heard nothing. Like, what's the deal? And so they told me, oh, you know, it probably takes 6 to 8 weeks, and I'm like, well, it's been 8 weeks. I know for shit show, you know what I'm saying? But I was like, you know, I ain't doing no tripping because, you know, they just doing their job. You know, they probably not the one that just directly held it. You know what I'm saying? So, cool. So, the very next day, and when I tell you the very next day, I mean the very fucking next day. So that was the 5th. The 5th I called. They said it may take 6 to 8 weeks. I said it's been 8 weeks. All right, cool. Be patient. They said inventory, blah blah blah. Very next day, I get a tracking number. I tried to check the tracking number. It really didn't give me too much information because they just submitted it. So that's to be understood. I just checked the tracking number today because I'm curious. Like, oh shit, let me check on my gun. I don't know how long. I mean, I would anticipate that you probably don't have a gun floating around shipping for too long. You know what I'm saying? So it probably could have been on some next day, 2 day shit. You know what I'm saying? So they shipped that motherfucker on the 6th or the 7th, something like that. 6th or the 7th. And it arrived on the 9th, according to the tracking. And this is what I just figured out. So I just call up. They're like, you. Hey, it's me. Where the fuck my gun at, nigga? But now I'm like, hey, what happened? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to find out, you know, whoop, I ordered this gun, da-da-da-da-da. They said, oh, yeah, well, usually you should have got a call. I was like, yeah, I should have, but I haven't. So I got the tracking number here from Taurus. They said it should have been delivered. Boop, 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 boop. All right, cool. Put you on brief hold. Just put me on hold. You didn't get back on the phone like, oh yeah, I found your package here. I don't know what happened. If we don't have a good phone number, we try to do an email. If we don't have an email, then yeah. So I'm like, all right, no harm, no foul, whatever. So now we on the way to go get it. Then I got to thinking, shit, when my payment due, yeah, I don't have no problem finding my number. Oh, Mr. Duncan, your membership, you know, because I only pay that shit a month at a time. So, yeah, like, Oh, your membership is due. Whoopie whoopie whoop. Alright, well, check it out. Same number y'all use for my billing shit should be the same goddamn number y'all use to call me when my shit came in. So when I go up here, I'm gonna make sure I update all my information, email, all that shit. But I know y'all got a good number for me. Stop fucking playing with me. Stop fucking playing. Alright, cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, so I ain't feeling when I was on the inside because, you know, a lot of sensitive information and all that came in. But yeah, boom. Taurus. From theirs hands to mine. Like I said, this replaced my 45, was at PT 47. This is the, drum roll please, G3C. Now, I don't know what the difference is between a G3 and a G3C, but this one is the G3C. Maybe for compact, I don't know. Get down in the comments and let me know. So it's in the plastic. Still got the tag on that bit. Oh, I ain't never had one that new where it still had a little orange joint on that thing. Hey, it wasn't playing, right? Got your magazine. Like that, both 12. Yeah, 2 12-shot magazines come with it. So, got that. Said right there, limited lifetime warranty. So if anything go wrong with that bad boy, we're gonna hit them up. They based out of Bainbridge, Georgia, looks like. So let's see here. Let's see. Hold on. I was like, what that motherfucker doing there? Okay. So boom, yeah. Thing locked back, cocked back, I'm ready. Bow. Okay. Feel pretty good in the hand. Saying put your burn in there. I don't know. My hand do feel kind of scrunched up on the motherfucker. Yeah, my hand kind of feels scrunched up on it versus the canet that I got, but I mean, for something that I ain't necessarily come out of pocket for and to replace the gun that was defective, I ain't fucked up about it. So you got your safety there, safety on the trigger, all that good stuff. So Not too shabby. I don't see anywhere for no sights to be mounted on there. You know, you may be able to upgrade your little dot in the front. It looks like for the most part it's just metal sights. So yeah, man, bust it down, clean it, and we're definitely gonna be back to put it through its paces. So it's my new baby, G3C. About the size of almost a sponge. Or your phone. I got my phone right down on it. So yeah. Alright, y'all. Till the next one. We out.